কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি, কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক, দিন গুনছে যে তারি। দেখ মন কাশবন দুলছে যে শাড়ি, কবে ঢাক দেবে ডাক, দিন গুনছে যে তারি। শিউলি মাখা গল্প আগমনীর সুর, কুমার টুলির গন্ধ ছড়ালো।
Welcome back to another chapter of Quiz 2021. Because of this ongoing COVID situation, আমরা তোমাদের সামনে আসতে পারলাম না, আর we are once again back to our online platform. We had a lot of fun last year and we just hope to have similar or rather more fun this year. So are you all excited about it? Okay, show me thumbs up. Yes. So how many of you are playing with your parents? Raise your hands. Good boy. Okay, so this quiz is divided into different sections. Each section will have a topic and there will be certain number of questions based on that topic. You will get a 15-second time frame to answer the question. The person who takes lesser number of time, suppose he answers the question in 1 second or 2 seconds, will get more points, and one who takes longer time to answer will get lesser point. So after every question, there will be a leaderboard which will show what is your position. Okay. So if you answer correctly and answer in lesser time, so you will be on top of the ladder. And if you take more time or answer anything wrong, doesn't matter. Next question might be your game changer. So ready?
Hi everyone. Welcome to this year's quiz competition. We are so excited to see few very familiar names. I remember Shreya and Shahom and few others from last year. I remember Sanjana, and it is lovely to have few more members. Adit, I remember you. I don't see your mom sitting beside you this time. I think you've taken the challenge all on yourself. Oh, hi. It's lovely to see all of you, and we're going to have a very good time. So like Shreya said, we will try to wrap it up as soon as possible, and it's the fastest fingers first logic. So the faster you are, the more you score, your name goes up on the leaderboard, and yes, we'll have loads of fun. So the first section for today's quiz is who's going to ace the Marvel quiz. Something all of us love, from a 5-year-old or a 55-year-old, all of us love this. So we can start off with this section, and we're just waiting for players to join. Please join. Okay, I would request if you could actually join with your name so it is visible on the leaderboard equally as well. Starstruck, if you could please rejoin.
Excuse me.
Yeah, Shreya?
Yeah. Actually, you are requesting for a video in the other mobile. I have opened in the same Zoom link in the other mobile to just see your screen actually. He's actually playing through the laptop.
It is okay. It is okay. You don't have to see my screen, as in the one that I'm sharing. You can only focus on the screen of the game. That should be okay.
Okay, then it's okay. No issues.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we have 11 players. Are we expecting any more to join?
I think there are 14 players, 14 people on Zoom call. So 11 players and 3 of us. So it makes, I think all of them are on the AHA slides. All the players are on the AHA slides. So
okay, perfect. Okay, all the best everyone. We will start the quiz, and onto your screen is the first question. How many Avengers movies are there? The options are 5, 1, 3, 4. Okay, select the option. Select the option on your screen.
Don't say it.
And 4 it is. Yes, 6 of us have got it right. So whoever said 4, can you please tell us the names of the movies?
Ma'am, I told ma'am Revant.
Okay, no problem. So the ones are Avengers Age of Ultron, Infinity War, and the Endgame. And good. Most of us have got it right. Let's see who's topped the leaderboard. Shoham, wonderful to see you there. Rest of us, buck up. Okay, so that's the first question. Let's move on to the next one. Is Tony Stark Captain America? This is the easiest of all. Yes, and most of us have got that right. No, Tony Stark is not Captain America. He is our Iron Man. So let's see who's topping the leaderboard. Shoham is on the first, and Adit is following. Good. All right, we'll move on to the third question. True or false? Wanda Maximoff is Black Widow. And all right, most of us have got that right, and it's true that Wanda Maximoff is not Black Widow. It is known that her major strength is teleportation, and let's see who's topped the leaderboard. Do we see any changes? Shoham and Adit Naidu. I think we have another person joining the quiz. Shreya, Amrita, do we wait for the person to join? We've started already.
No, I guess we should continue with it because we had informed everyone that the quiz starts at 8.
8, yeah. And all right, let's continue.
It will be injustice to everyone else here if we.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely. Guys, we need to see some changes in the leaderboard. Shoham and Adit are the fastest fingers first. Yeah, I think next question will be a game changer. All right, who are the original Avengers? You've seen many characters in the Avengers movies, but amongst them, who are the original ones? And this everybody's got right. Good job. This is the easiest one. And let's look at the leaderboard. Shoham and Adit continue to top the leaderboard. All right, we'll move on to the next question. All right, this is a little tricky. How many Infinity Stones are there in the gauntlet? And the minute we talk about Infinity Stones, all we can think about is Thanos. Think. It's a little tricky. Okay, I don't think it's as tricky as I thought. So 6 of us have got that right, and let's see. Okay, Shoham and Adit leading the leaderboard again. All right, so coming to the next question and the last question in this segment of Marvel is, how many Marvel Disney Plus shows are there currently? 4, 6, 3, or 10? All right, mixed answers, and so just for clarification purposes, we have WandaVision, The Falcon and the Winter Soldier, Loki, and What If. And the first season of Loki just was released a couple of weeks back, and we're waiting for season 2. So these are the 4 shows currently, and I think this is going to be a game changer for the leaderboard. Yes, we see Preetham has now moved on to third position. Shoham and Adit, good job here. Bravo, very good, very good. So as of now, this is the first segment, and for the next segment, over to Shreya.
Hello, everyone. So, our next segment is festivals. So, what do we associate festivals with? Lot of food, celebration, dressing up, parties, meeting our friends. So, our next segment, this segment, festival, I'll be asking you certain questions based on festivals, which will cover mostly all of this. Okay. So, Orpita, can we have our first question, please? Okay, the beginning of the year in January marks the celebration of the Sankranti or Pongal festival. What does this festival celebrate? And your time starts now. Okay, so most of you have given the correct answer. Makar Sankranti or Sankranti is the harvest festival. It's celebrated on 14th or 15th of January every year, and in other places like in Punjab, it is called Lohri, and in Bengalis, we have Shankranti, and we eat lot of pithe pulis on that day. So next question, please.
Let's look at the leaderboard.
So Soham and Adit are still on the top. Preetham, starstruck, is catching up. Deveshwar has climbed down one rank. Sanjana, you can. So,
All
which festivals marks the beginning of year in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu? Okay, almost everyone has given the correct answer. It's Ugadi. So, Ugadi we celebrate in the month of April, and the most notable thing about Ugadi is Ugadi Pachadi, which many of us have it at our home, or we look up to our neighbors to give us a bowl. So now the leaderboard scores. Okay, nothing much has changed. Sanjana has climbed from position 6 to position 4. Very good, Sanjana. Preetham is at number 3, and Soham and Adit are still maintaining their rank, first and second. So I think next question might change the game. So the next question is, Ganesh Chaturthi is an important festival dedicated to Lord Ganesha. Which of the following sweet dishes is prepared for Lord Ganesha on this day? And the time is about to end. The answer is Modak. Okay. So the word Modak has come from the word Uda dichikke, which means steamed or steamed rice. Modak are steamed dumplings with an outer surface made of rice flour, and it has a filling of coconut and jaggery. So the leaderboard scores are okay. So I don't see any changes. Soham is still winning with 703 points. Adit 584, Preetham 527. Quite a tough call between Preetham and Adit. So best of luck, guys. Please buckle up. Whose death is mourned on Muharram? Okay, so this was a tricky question. It's not Prophet Muhammad, it's Imam Hussein. Uh, Even though Muharram is the first month of the Muslim calendar and it's considered the second most holiest month in Muslim calendar, uh, Imam Hussein, the grand son of Prophet Muhammad, was killed in the Battle of Karbala. He was apparently killed by the Shias. So till this day, Shias take out this procession and they hurt themselves as an act of forgiveness towards the sinful thing they had done many years ago. So the leaderboard scores are okay. So still there is no difference. Okay, there is one difference. Preetham has caught up. He's at number 2 now. Adit has come down to number 3. Soham is still winning 703. So 105 points difference between Soham and Preetham. So I think in 1 or 2 questions, they are going to catch up. Diwali is the shortened version of Deepavali. What does the word Deepavali means? The time's up. Okay, only 4 of you got this question right. Yes, the correct answer is row of lighted lamps. So when Ram was returning from his Vanvas, on that day, it was almost evening by the time he reached Ayodhya, and nobody wanted to miss the sight of their beloved prince returning, or rather king returning home. So everyone in Ayodhya had lit up a lamp in front of their house, and from a distance, because they were coming in a flying vehicle, so for them the sight was very beautiful. It was like the entire city was laid out with diya and rows after rows of lighted lamp. So that day is called Deepavali. Can we have a look at the leaderboard? Soham has increased his margin by 130 points. Sanjana has climbed up. Wow, good. Preetham has fallen one step down. Adit has come down to 4th. Arav and Starstruck. Starstruck. Okay. So, Ganesh Chaturthi lost state patronage and became a private family celebration again till its revival by an Indian freedom fighter and social reformer. So can you guess who was that? Okay, 7 of you got that question correct. It was Lokmanya Tilak. Britishers in that period, in 1800s, mid of 1800, had banned any congregation of Indians anywhere. But there was no ban on any kind of a religious festival. So Tilak thought... Yes, beta? Are you saying?
Question came in KBC.
Okay. So many of us may not have watched that, so I'll just take you through it. Lokmanya Tilak thought that he should use this opportunity, this little gap or this little flaw or loophole in the law, to exploit this opportunity to gather Indians and educate them about the ongoing freedom struggle. So he revived this Ganesh Chaturthi festival, and in Pune, the first Ganesh Chaturthi festival, which was outside the patronage of a private family, it had become a Sarvojanic or a festival for all. And from there, the fever caught on to Maharashtra, and now it has reached every part of India. So with this, we have a leaderboard score. Okay, so is nearly 139 points ahead. Sanjana, 739, very good. Preetham and Amit. So I can see the same names on from 1 to 6. So People, please come, do something. Okay, so with this, we come to the end of our first segment, second segment. Now over to Arpita.
Okay, so the next one is the 90s ad segment. So there will be a couple of screenshots on the screen, and there'll be few lines that is very synonymous with those advertisements. In case if you haven't gone through them, or you've never heard them before, but you must have heard your parents reminiscing them, because it is from ideally their era, but there must have been a lot of Facebook or Insta videos that compiles the ads of the 90s and plays it out. So it's just a compilation just to recollect the 90s era for all of us, and let's see how many of you can actually remember, with the help of your parents, of course, in case if you need that. So we can start off with the 90s ad. Shreya, if you want to go ahead with the ad, it's fine.
Yeah, I'll go.
The clips. Yeah.
So 90s was my time. I was also child then. From
Okay,
my
so guys,
childhood.
we are just clarifying that we haven't aged a bit beyond 90s. So it is Shreya's time. It is my time. So yes, we are still.
My
we are
time
still
is from
90s
there. I
kids
haven't
out there.
grown.
We haven't grown. Yeah, we haven't grown beyond the 90s.
I haven't grown. Okay, so some of the favorite ads from our childhood and from your parents, of course. So we have our first question coming up. Yeah.
Good. Complete the rest.
So the time starts now. Okay. So other than just one, almost everybody has given the correct answer. And I can still not see any change in the leaderboard. So good, very good, Soham. It's very nice that you're maintaining your lead. Congratulations and good job. And the next ad, Arpita.
Yeah.
तुम हुस्न परी तुम जाने जहां तुम सबसे हंसी तुम सबसे जवां. So 7 of you have got that word correct, hasi. Soham knows all about 90s ad also. I have a feeling he has done something with my computer and he has hacked all the questions.
No, he's just that smart.
He's a winner, last year's winner.
Yes. Yeah.
Amani Didi, can I request you to do one thing?
Yeah.
When you're screen sharing, can you just click on the 3 dots, and in the drop down that appears, can you share sound as well?
Okay.
I think some of our participants are not able to hear very loudly,
Oh, okay.
so that will help. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. That was informative. All right. Can I go on to the next one?
Okay, ma'am.
पहले इस्तेमाल करे फिर विश्वास करे. They haven't changed this tagline even till date. There's now not major difference between Sanjana and Soham. Wait, first Soham, second Sanjana, Adit, Preetam, Arav, starstruck. So our next question is,
Oh, yeah.
so I think this was the most popular ad. So how many of you have actually seen Nirma packet? I have never seen in my life. I've only seen it on the TV. So I'm winning with 1204 points, trailed by Sanjana, Adit, Preetam, Arav, and Shreyan. Oh wow, Shreyan has caught up at number 6. So after Nirman, let's see what do we have next.
Okay.
बुलंद भारत की बुलंद तस्वीर. Bajaj, where are the scooters now? But we got 7 participants who have given us correct answer. So in his winning streak, 1284 points. Sanjana has come down 1088 points. Adit and Preetam are next in the chart.
Wonderful. I'll move on to the next one.
Yes. यही तो है वो bristle. That was the right answer. And only 7 of you could give it. Now let's see who are those 7 people who have. So again, he has scored 87 points for this answer. Adit has caught up with 90 points. So as you can see here in the leaderboard, for every correct answer you give and the shortest time you take, the more points you get. So since since Soham had already gained a lot of points in previous questions, so he is leading, but there is no reason to be disheartened. Lot of more points, lot of more questions are coming up your way, and you can make points. Okay. So with this, we come to the end of this segment, and I'll hand you over to Orpita to take you through the next section.
Thanks, Shreya. Okay, so the next section is Olympics. And the Olympic fever had taken over people across the globe. And this year we've seen many participation. Many people have represented in many segments from India, not only in Olympics but in Paralympics as well. And they are quite an inspiration for all of us to do the impossible. Only if you set your mind onto it. So. We are not going to go to very intrinsic details, but we are going to discuss about few things that have been in the news circuit very, very frequently, and these things I'm pretty sure all of us remember or have come across. So with that, I'll start off with the first question. Who is the first ever Indian fencer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympic Games? And the options for this are on your screen. Kavita Devi, Shilpa Garg, Bhavani Devi or Pooja Mishra. Wow. Bhavani Devi is the right answer, and 50% of our participants have got it right. So, guys, fencing is one of the 5 sports that have been permanent fixtures at the Olympic Games since the first modern games were held in 1896. And in India, it started in 1974. First, it was recognized by the government in 97, and since then, this is one sport that is being cultivated very closely by the people. Okay, let's look at the leaderboard. All right, Shoham is still leading the leaderboard, followed by Preetham, Sanjana, Adit. So this was a game changer. All right, guys, buckle up. Next question. Who is the Indian woman golfer who qualified for the Tokyo Olympics Games 2020? Who's the lady on the screen? Is she Neha Tripathi, Shelly Chopra, Aditi Ashok, or Twesa Mane? A small hint, this was her second Olympic stint. And yes, it's Aditi Ashok. She was the only woman, the first woman golfer to qualify for Olympics. And she represented India along with Anirban Lahiri and Udyan Mane in the men's event. So let's look at the leaderboard. Okay, no much change. Shoham and Preetham still leading it. On to the next question. Which Indian woman gymnast represented India at Tokyo Olympics Games 2020? And one small hint, she is from West Bengal. Okay, so we have a 50-50, Pranati Nayak and Deepa Karmakar. So it was Pranati who represented this year. She is a 26-year-old gymnast from West Bengal. And it wasn't Deepa this time, it was Pranati. So let's see, there should be some changes in the leaderboard. Yes, there is. I see Adit back onto the 3rd position. Good, Adit, way to go. All right, next question. What is the Tokyo Olympics mascot 2020? What is it called? Is it Hodori, it's Miratova, it's Amik-chan, or is it Fuba? Yes, majority of us have got that right. It's Miratova. And Miratova is the official mascot for 2020 Summer Olympics, and Somaiti is the official mascot for 2020 Summer Paralympics. On to the leaderboard, and okay, no much change. Shoham and Preetham leading. Adit is falling pretty close. We'll move on to the next question. What do the 5 rings on the Olympic symbol represent? The 5 oceans, the 5 continents, the 5 planets, or the 5 gods? And yes, it is the 5 continents. So they are all 5 interlocking rings, known as the Olympic rings, and the symbol was originally created in 1913 by a person called Coubertin, and he wanted to represent the 5 continents, that's Europe, Africa, Asia, the Americas, and the ocean. So let's look at the leaderboard. Not much change, but I really feel either Preetham is if not very close, but yes, next couple of questions is going to be very helpful for Preetham and Adit. All right, we now come to the last question in this segment. It's related to Paralympics, and how many athletes from India have participated in the Tokyo Paralympics Games? 65, 54, 23, or 45? And 54 is the right answer. So we've had 54 representations ranging from athletes, badminton, canoeing, powerlifting, shooting, tennis, taekwondo, and shooting as well, swimming as well, I guess. So good job. Let's look at the leaderboard. Not much change, but I really feel Adit is getting close to Pritam's score. So both of you, buckle up. Fastest fingers first. So here we come to an end of the Olympic section. We'll move on to the next section, and before that, Shreya, over to you.
Our next segment is emojis. So almost all of us are using emojis these days. What we used to imply with words earlier, now we are using.
Shreya, sorry to interrupt.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah, it's the who said it.
I think Urpita will take you through who said it.
Okay, I'll do that. Sorry, my bad. All right, so who said it? So we have famous dialogues and famous quotes from few very well-known personalities. So we'll look into both and then share a few anecdotes from each of these questions. So we'll have the first question onto the screen. Mogambo, Khush Hua. This is from which movie? Whether we are a 90s kid or a 2000 or even now, this dialogue is pretty famous. If we like something that has really pleased us, we use it with our parents and with our friends, saying ke Mogambo, Khush Hua. Yes, and it is Mr. India, a very lovely movie that brings us fond memories from our childhood, and the leaderboard remains the same. But Pritam has done well, and so did Adit. So good job there, guys. Moving on to the next question. Again, which movie is this dialogue from? How's the Josh? Baby, Lakshya, Border, or Yuri? And yes, majority of participants have got that right, Yuri. So this is based on true events released in the year of 2019, when the Yuri events were pretty fresh in our mind, and a very famous dialogue from this movie. So only for this instance, I would want everyone to unmute yourself, and if you know what comes after How's the Josh, please speak up. How's the Josh?
Sir.
Yes, how's the Josh?
Sir.
Yes,
Ma'am,
that's
hi,
correct.
ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
Wonderful. Hi. It's definitely the Josh is soaring high. So yes, thank you very much. Please go back on mute. I'll move on to the leaderboard and see how does that change our scores. So no, we are not seeing much changes. But yes, Shoham, Pritam, Adit, all of you, Shreyan has moved up. Good job. Let's look at the next one. Oh bhaiya, all is well. Something that we do on a day-to-day basis. Any issues that we have, we just remember this dialogue and the scene, which is very fresh in our memories, no matter when this movie was released. Oh yeah, there's no scope for a wrong answer. It's Three Idiots. Let's look at the leaderboard. It's the same. So yeah, I think everybody's maintaining their consistency, which is good. But let's push ourselves for more. Okay, on to the next question. So, who said this? If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. Who said this? Was it Dhirubhai Ambani? Was it Ratan Tata, Elon Musk, or Kanye West? Yes, it's Dhirubhai Ambani is the right answer. So this, for a very brief period of time, when we used to see the Reliance Industry ads onto our television screen, the ads used to end with this specific saying, with this specific quote, to motivate others and for them to build on their dreams and not to help others build their dreams. It's just to say that if you dare to dream, then you should also dare to fulfill them, which is very true. Let's look at the leaderboard. Okay, Shreyan has moved up the score, but still at level 4. All right, we see a good consistency across. Moving on to the next question. No real change in history has ever been achieved by discussions. Who said this? Satyajit Ray, Moraji Desai, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, or was it Jawaharlal Nehru? Yes, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is right. Let's look at the leaderboard. No much change, but I see that Adit has done very well, and he's pretty close to Preetham to move on to the second position. Good going, Adit. Next question now. Life should be great rather than long. We've heard this in a movie as well, but who said this originally? Was it Chandrasekhar Azad, B.R. Ambedkar, Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu? Zindagi badi honi chahiye, lambi nahi. B.R. Ambedkar is right. And this was also a dialogue that Rajesh Khanna had said in one of his movies with Amitabh Bachchan, where he used to fondly call Amitabh Bachchan as Babu Moshaya. Let's look at the leaderboard. Wow. Shubham, amazingly done. Good job, good job. Okay, so now we move on to Guess the City, and this is completely Shreya's forum. She loves this segment. And Shreya, over to you, please.
I am sorry, everyone. That was my mistake, and I have killed your suspense. So, in this segment, you will have to guess the city. I'll show you certain emojis on your screen, and you have to combine those emojis to reach a name of a city. So, in this segment, you don't have to click on the answer. You'll rather have to type in your answer. So there are two forms of answers that are accepted, one with space and one without space. So anything you do, even with space or without space, the computer will accept that answer. So the first question coming your way is, so your 19 seconds to type in your answers are this. The faster you type, the answer is Stockholm. The first image was stock and the second was home. So only 2 of you have got that correct. So the leaderboard scores are, Soham is still winning with 2,158 points. Preetham, Soham, everybody has got that question wrong. So, and we do not have a new player on our top 5 chart. So it's the same names. So maybe the second question, if they give wrong and you give right, you can replace them on the leaderboard. So the next question is, type in your answers now. Okay, four of you got this answer correct. Okay, there is a very interesting fact about Mumbai. Mumbai is, as all of us know, it's a seven island city. It was originally a Portuguese city, and Portuguese had given it to the British crown in the dowry of Queen Catherine of Braga in 1661. That's how this modern day Mumbai or Bombay then had come into the possession of British from the Portuguese. Let's see if it changes anything on the leaders booth. Soham is still winning and he has gone loads ahead. So Preetham and Adat are still struggling for second and third position. There is marginal difference between both of them. Shreyan has come down to number 5 from 4. Sanjana is at 6. Starstruck, Amrita, Anish, Deveshwar, Suneet, Revant, and I just hope you guys don't be disheartened. There are many more questions coming your way and you can gain your points. So our next emoji, set of emojis coming up is this. Eight of you have got that correct. Wow. So an amazing fact about Istanbul is not a new city. It's 2,500 years old city, and the city has always lived the way it has. It's now. It's known for its nightlife, vibrant nightlife. Its iconic blue mosque, and it's one of the places all of us should visit once in our lifetime. So the four people who marked it, wrote it correct were Soham, Preetham, Adat, and Arav. So, good job. It was easy. The first image was sea, the second was owl. Combine both, Seoul. So now this new latest rave of everybody, BTS, almost everybody is hooked onto that music. They are also from there. So Seoul is the capital of South Korea and it's a very beautiful city. The leaderboard. Okay, so Soham is still maintaining the lead and it's quite a lead. It's a lead of nearly 500 points. Followed by Preetham at second place and Adat at third. So Adat and Preetham have a gap of 60 points, which is not a very difficult feat. Arav is also close behind. So all three of them have a tough fight between them. Soham has more or less secured his position, consolidated his place at first. So I just hope next question can make any changes in second, third, and fourth position. So the next question on your screen is it's easy. Only 5 of you got that correct. The first image was bar, the second was seal, third was on button, and the mouth was ah. So Barcelona is the correct answer. And just so Starstruck has gained points and she is or he is at number 4. Sanjana has come to number 3. That's a very beautiful thing. Preetham is number 2 and Soham is still maintaining his lead at 2500 points on first position. So I think it's going to be a nice fight. Now, can we have our next slide, please? Guessed it? Type in your answers now. Chicago, the shake, and go. Chicago. So Chicago is a very important place of business and commerce in USA. And if you ask your neighbors, one or the other person in their family must be living in Chicago. So it's a very popular destination with the Telugu people. So with this question, let's see if there is any. Okay, Soham is still winning with 2500 points. Preetham is at number 2. Sanjana is at number 3. Starstruck is at number 4. Adit has come down to number 5. Arav is at number 6. Shreyan has come down to 7. Amrita, Anish, Deveshwar, Suneet, and Revant. Thank you so much. So with this question, we have come to the end of this segment. Now for your next segment, I'll hand you over to Urpita.
Thank you, Shia. So guys, this is the last segment of today's quiz. And I really hope that these last 6 questions will be your game changer. So be extra alert. Don't bother about the scores right now, but just focus on the answers, and they are pretty simple, and you will definitely love them. So going on to the first question on your screen. So with respect to defense, what is the full form of DRDO? It's been in news the past couple of months, and the options are on your screen. So let's see. And yes, most of us have got it right. Defense Research and Development Organization. So DRDO was formed in 1958, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is known as the father of DRDO. Let's see, how does the leaderboard reflect? Okay, Shoham, Preetham, Sanjana, Adit, Shreyan. Okay. Last 5 questions. The popular web series Money Heist is originally titled La Casa de Papel. What does the title mean? Castle of Paper, Church of Paper, Castle of Money, Church of Money. Okay. 50-50, the paper is right. So Money Heist, the Spanish version, is actually a Spanish television series created by Argentina. And the Castle of Paper is the right answer. Let's look at the leaderboard. Okay, Preetham didn't answer this, but he's still maintaining the 2nd position, and Sanjana is pretty close to Preetham's score. And again, Adit is pretty close to Sanjana's score. So guys, be very, very careful. You are rubbing shoulders now. Okay. Third question in the segment, after Hindi, which is the most spoken language in India. This is as per a consensus of 2011. So you have 4 options there: Telugu, Tamil, Bangla, and Punjabi. Okay. And yes, Bangla is the second most spoken language after Hindi. This is as per the 2011 consensus recorded 31 individual languages as having more than 1 million native speakers. That's 0.1 of the total population. So Bangla is the right answer. And let's see how does the leaderboard reflect. Okay. Preetham and Sanjana, do you see that? 100 points, but yes, and you'll be growing close pretty soon. And Shoham and Preetham, the difference is not much. I think pretty much it can be covered in the next question. Okay. What is the only continent with land in all the 4 hemispheres? Asia, Europe, Africa, or South America? All right, and Africa is the right answer. This geography fact also means that Africa is the only continent to have land both at the equator and the prime meridian. So Africa is your right answer. Let's see. The leaderboard is more or less the same. But Shreyan and Sanjana, pretty close with your scores. The penultimate question is, what colors is the flag of the United Nations? Look on your screens for the options: black and white, blue and green, white and yellow. Okay, and majority of us have got that right. Blue and white is the right answer. This was approved by the General Assembly, the United Nations flag, on 7 December 1946. All right. What does the leaderboard say? Okay. No more changes. So, guys, this is the last question for today's event. On your screen now, all the very best. Where did sushi originate? It's an Asian delicacy, and where did this originate? Was it China, Japan, Thailand, or Singapore? Okay, here we go. Japan is indeed the right answer. It's a traditional delicacy of Japan. And let's look at the leaderboard, guys. And Shoham is the winner for today's event, followed by Preetham, Sanjana, Shreyan, and Adit. Shoham, very good job. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Soham.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Preetham, Sanjana, Shreya, Adit.
Thank you.
Congrats to everybody for participating.
Thank you.
Absolutely. And I hope all of you have had a good time, and we are closing this event in a record time of 1 hour as promised. Thank you so much, each one of you who joined, who participated, and I hope you had a good time. It's all about participation. Winning is the end, is the end result, but participating is important. And thank you so very much. I had a lot of fun. Shreya, you?
I had a lot of fun, and I would request all the participants to turn on their camera so that we can just have a screenshot of our event one.
Yes, please.
And it was really very well managed by both of you. It was really nice. I was enjoying to my hilt, you know. This is so good.
Thank you.
Thanks
He
for
made many
allowing me.
mistakes.
Oh, yes.
No, that's all
So
right.
Shreyan, we are waiting for you, Shreyan. So once
And,
you
and
Amrita-
along with the children, we also request the parents to come forward. It's your
Exactly.
support that helps your kids to do well.
Shreyan and Amrita, I request you to turn on the camera so that we can have one group picture.
Dora Didi, it's okay. You're beautiful as it is. Come onto the
No,
screen.
I'm already on.
Very good.
Okay,
Okay.
great job.
Okay, so parents, please kindly join your children.
I can click the photo in 3, 2, 1, smile. Done. Thank you.
Congratulations to all of you for participating. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thanks,
everyone.
everyone. Have a good weekend.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, Rosie, you guys have to play. Okay, promise me. Promise.
Promise, ma'am.
Like we say, like in Bengali we say,
Ashke bochor abar hobe.
yes, exactly. Ashke bochor abar hobe. And I would love to see all of you next time, and with invite your friends over and tell them how fun it is. So the more the merrier.
शुभ शारदीय प्रीति शुभेच्छा.
जय जय दुर्गा माँ जय जय दुर्गा माँ जय जय दुर्गा माँ जय 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 दुर्गा माँ जय जय दुर्गा माँ जय जय दुर्गा माँ जय खड्ग हाते रणचण्डी तुमी पापेर ना